How to add blog to your Wix website. So we want to click on the left hand side on the first option, which is add elements, and here we will use the search tool. So just click on it and search for blog like I have right here, and this is Wix's automatic blog features. So we want to click on open. So it has a bunch of good reviews, as we can see right here. So nearly 2000 reviews. We want to add this to our website by clicking on this blue button. It will generate a Wix blog for us, which might take a little bit of time, but we will be patient. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. So once it is done setting up, just give it some more time. The process itself, it kind of regenerates the whole website, so it's gonna look like this. So now you can edit all of these posts. So you have a blog within your store, so you can manage the posts here. If you click on manage posts, it will show us or take us to a different screen where we actually are able to like I said, manage the post. We have published. We can create a new post by clicking on this button right here after I clicked on posts, and you can also delete posts if you would like. You have a bunch of different settings for your blog which you can play around with, and then basically that's it. That's how you add a blog to your Wix website. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.